Hello, I'm Claire from Olympus UK, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Olympus cameras to your mobile devices via the OI.Share app. Now, the Olympus Image Share app isn't just about uploading photos to your devices. It can be used as a remote control. Now, if you, like me, have got a cable remote, brilliant. But if you want to be a little bit further away from your subject, up to 20 meters, the OI.Share app is perfect for you. So great if you're photographing birds or wildlife or things where you need to keep that little bit of distance. The first thing you need to do is get the camera to talk to your device. So you press the little Wi-Fi icon in the top corner of the screen and press OK on device connection. When you get to the white screen, it says connect to device. You need to press the info button, which will then bring up the QR code. Open up your Olympus Image Share app, and at the bottom you'll see a little camera icon. Touch it and it says easy setup. Press easy setup and scan the QR code. There you go, that's how simple it is. Scan the QR code with the camera on your phone and press start setup. When the app indicates setup is complete, we're ready to go. The great feature about the Olympus Image Share app is you can use it as a remote control. So if you select the remote control section at the top of the app, what you're getting is the live view from the camera. Now I'm shooting with a full manual exposure, which is shown in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you go down to the bottom of the screen, you have your apertures and your shutter speeds available to select on a slider. Now the joy about using the slider is it shows you in the live view whether you are underexposed or overexposed. So really simple to take pictures here. The other thing you can do is change your white balance, change your ISO, and even change things like single shot to continuous shooting or self timer. Once you've done that, press the shutter and you've taken your images. To import your photos, select Import Photos on the menu. You can view your images just by pressing a single image and scrolling through to seeing the larger thumbnails. You can select a single image and import that one. Nice and easy, and you can see on the app, designated by the downward arrows, which images have been downloaded to the phone. If you want, you can select all the images and download them all in one go. In the app, on the right hand side is a cog. If you click that cog, you've got a few options. One of them is camera management. This allows you to update your firmware. It also tells you what current firmware your camera is and lens is on. Within this same menu, you have Import Photos. If we click on Import Photos, there's a whole range of things that you can do here. You can change your thumbnail size. I like the large ones, but you can also decide whether you want to show and upload raw images. You want to change or resize the video or the thumbnails or the JPEGs that are uploading to your phone. All of them are in that menu, so take a look at that one. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay home, stay safe.